Today we're unboxing the REMO Hobby Honcho. Our returning viewers will have already seen this thing in action at Paddlesworth, where we compared it to the Axial SCX10. But if you haven't seen the video of this, or you'd rather see it in action, there'll be a link in the description. Don't smash that link too early though, because you know how I'll see you next Tuesday format their unboxings.
Wink, wink.
Hey guys, welcome back to I'll see you next Tuesday. We've got another crawler in the arsenal now. We've got the Axial Honcho.
Kind of. It's the REMO Hobby. It's their crawler series, maximum traction on any surface apparently, and it goes with that all needed feature of 4-wheel dive. Am I saying that right? Dive?
We've had a fair few 4-wheel drive cars now, so we thought we'd spice it up and get a 4-wheel Dave.
I got a brother called Dave.
Dave!
110 scale, rock crawler, 2.4 gigahertz radio, 4-wheel drive.
Waterproof and it's electric.
Yeah. Really. Tell you what, that is pretty cool looking.
It's got Tamiya connectors. In case you're not sure how to use this thing properly, there's the safety guides right in the instruction manual. It's got a sizing for everything as well.
Trickle charger.
Width 258mm, wheelbase 313, clearance 75, tyre 1.9. All your exploded diagrams.
It's not too bad, is it?
It's impressive considering how much it costs.
Right, let's whack the body off then, shall we? I love the look of it. I like the bumper as well. It's the first one we've had with like a tray back like that, isn't it? Eh?
Pretty sure you can detach too as well.
Oh, can you?
I think so.
Oh, yeah, you can. Yeah. There you go.
6 screws inside.
For a cheap crawler, it's got a lot on it, hasn't it? Easy to install, a nice light kit on there. All light buckets are all functional. Just need the LEDs. Got a little toolbox in there. It's even got a pin on that. Plastics don't feel cheap. It's got some floor pans in there. It is a really good copy of the SCX10 chassis, isn't it? You're not going to have the same quality materials, don't get me wrong, but there's that tower brace there. Look, that's got the
symmetrical chassis.
Yeah, it's got another servo mount there for you.
In case you wanted that rear wheel steering.
Yep, you want a bit of rear steer action going on.
Aluminium shock caps.
Yep.
That's got a decent amount of flex on it.
I like the fact it's got aluminium links as well, mind.
Not loving those springs though. They are cheap.
Yeah.
Adjustable body mounts as well.
Yeah.
But it's 313mm wheelbase as well, which is adjustable. So you've got access to virtually any body you want. But yeah, it's all metal geared. Not loving the battery side like that.
Yeah.
I like the fact that
it's going to give some weight towards the front, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it's front mounted, but
it could possibly make it a little bit top heavy as well.
It's not going to make a massive difference either way, but if it was let down, it'd be...
Yeah, but then to be fair, I think I prefer the fact that the servo is up here and not on the deadbolt. It's mounted under here, isn't it? And it does really affect the travel on the front suspension. So having it up here is definitely an improvement.
I also like, in comparison with the SCX that we got, this is plastic and it flexes a lot.
They're all
turning.
plastic, even the ones underneath on the deadbolt. All these are plastic, look. So it's an improvement on that for a much lower price. And it has a bar there as well. That's to stop the torque twist, isn't it?
But it's all metal geared. It's got slipper clutch the same as the SCX.
I've been looking, a lot of the SCX10 parts could possibly be interchangeable with this one. A lot of the links are the same
Not surprised. Same car, isn't it?
It looks identical, doesn't it?
There's also a tow bar somewhere.
Yeah, I think that's in here. Look, it comes with a little tow hitch. I thought that was a nice little touch. It's the little things that count. So I tell my wife. Do I get there first? Tell my wife that, I know.
Story of your life. But either way, it's not something we're likely to use, but
it's something that would probably get hung up on.
It's a nice little addition if you did want a trailer on it or something.
Here we go. Ah, that's got the cool feature on, hasn't it? The left to right steering.
Oh, you've got to hold that up, have you?
No.
Ooh. What is it that that guy says?
Full ambi, bro. Gotta go ambi for the tactics.
It's not the worst feeling controller.
It sounds plasticky from you, like real. Obviously, it's plastic.
Yeah.
It sounds a bit cheap. From
It's not
you
the
just
worst,
listening
but
to it.
no, it's not the greatest.
Oh yeah, I'm not keen on that. Position going for something. No. What?
It's not here. Our two big criticisms of this truck in its ready-to-run format are the tyres and the servo, both of which can be cheap upgrades, and considering the cost of the car initially, you can't begrudge REMO too much. We had spares of both already laying around, so it wasn't an issue for us, but other than that, it's a really impressive piece of kit.
Trying to grab, isn't it? Yeah, servo's definitely hindering.